Hey, good morning. What time do you usually wake up?
Morning. I wake up around 6:30, but I stay in bed for 10 minutes. What about you?
I'm the same, 6:30, but I hit snooze twice. Then I brush my teeth, take a quick shower, and have coffee with bread.
Nice. Do you exercise in the morning?
Not really, maybe just walk to the office. You?
Yeah, I do yoga for 15 minutes. It helps me start the day calmly.
That sounds great. I should try that.
Yeah, you should give it a shot sometime. Even 10 minutes makes a difference.
True. I always think I'll start earlier, but then the bed wins. What do you do after yoga? Straight to breakfast?
Pretty much. I make a quick smoothie. Banana, spinach, yogurt, and a bit of honey. Takes 2 minutes in the blender. Then I sit for a bit and plan my day while I drink it.
That sounds healthy. I'm more of a coffee first, think later person. Do you check your phone right after waking up or do you wait?
I try to wait until after breakfast now. Used to scroll immediately, but it stressed me out before the day even started. What about you?
Guilty. I grab my phone the second I open my eyes. Bad habit, I know. I'm trying to leave it in the other room, but I haven't succeeded yet.
Small steps. Maybe start by putting it on silent and face down. I did that and it helped a lot.
Good idea. I'll try it tomorrow. By the way, how long does your whole morning routine take from wake up to leaving the house?
About an hour and 15 minutes if I'm not rushing. I like having buffer time so I'm not stressed. You?
Around the same, maybe an hour, but if I snooze too much, it turns into 45 minutes of panic.
Been there. The worst is when you realize you're already late while still brushing your teeth.
Exactly. That's why I started setting two alarms 5 minutes apart. Forces me to get up on the second one.
Smart. I use a sunrise alarm clock now. Wakes me up gently with light instead of that horrible buzzer.
Oh, I've heard about those. Worth the money?
For me, yes. I don't jump out of bed angry anymore. Makes the whole morning feel less like a battle.
Interesting. Maybe I'll look into one. Anyway, speaking of leaving, what time do you usually head out?
Around 8 gives me time to walk to the metro without rushing. You?
8:15. I walk to the office most days, so I don't need to leave super early. Traffic is crazy otherwise.
Lucky you. I miss walking to work. The metro is convenient, but nothing beats fresh air in the morning.
True. Maybe I'll join you for yoga one day and we can walk part of the way together.
Deal. Let's plan it. Text me when you're ready to try.
Will do. All right, I should get moving. Have a productive day, Sara.
You too, Ollie. Talk later.
Hey Sarah, how's your afternoon going so far?
Hey, Allie. Pretty chill, actually. I usually finish lunch around 1:30 and then take a quick 15-minute walk outside to stretch my legs. You?
Nice. That walk sounds perfect after sitting all morning. I wrap up my main tasks by 2 o'clock, grab a coffee from the kitchen, and then go through my notes or plan the rest of the day. Do you ever take a nap in the afternoon?
Sometimes, yeah. A short 20-minute power nap if I feel foggy. It really helps recharge. Otherwise, I just sip tea and answer a few messages. What about you? Do you nap?
Never. I'd sleep through the evening if I tried. I usually head to the gym around 3 for about 45 minutes. Weights one day, cardio the next. Clears my mind completely.
That's awesome. Afternoon workouts keep me going too. After the gym, I come home, have a light snack, usually nuts or an apple, and then start prepping dinner early so it's not a rush later.
Smart planning. I snack on whatever fruit is around, then either work on a side project or call my parents for a quick catch up. What's the one thing you look forward to most in the afternoon?
Honestly, the walk right after lunch. Fresh air and a bit of sun make the whole day feel lighter. Yours?
The gym for sure. Nothing beats that post workout energy. We should do a walk together one afternoon. Maybe you grab coffee after?
I'd love that. Let's make it happen soon.
Cool. I'll check my schedule and text you. By the way, how late do you usually stay productive in the afternoon?
Till about 5:30 or 6. After that, I wind down, maybe read or watch something light. You?
Similar, around 6. Then it's family time or just relaxing. If I push too long, I get burnt out.
Totally get it. Balance is key. The worst is when you keep working and suddenly it's dark outside.
Haha, yes. That's why I set a hard stop now. Alarm at 6, time's up.
Good habit. I started doing the same with the little chime on my phone.
Nice. Speaking of winding down, do you have any evening plans tonight?
Just cooking something simple and maybe a movie. You?
Same vibe. Dinner with family, then chill. Nothing crazy.
Perfect. All right, I should get back to my afternoon. Talk soon?
Definitely. Have a great rest of the day, Sarah.
You too, Allie. Catch you later.
Hey, Sarah, how do you usually wind down in the evening after work?
Hey, Ellie. Evenings are my relax time. I get home around 7, change into comfy clothes, and start with a hot cup of tea. You?
Sounds cozy. I arrive by 6:30, kick off my shoes, and check in with family first. Maybe chat or help with dinner. Do you cook every night?
Not always. If it's a long day, I order in, but usually I make something simple like stir fry or salad while listening to music. Helps me decompress. What about you?
I love cooking to unwind. Pasta or grilled chicken, nothing fancy. Takes about 30 minutes, then I eat while watching a show. Do you have screen time in the evening?
Yeah, but I limit it. After dinner, I read a book for an hour or journal about the day. Keeps my mind clear before bed. You?
Similar. I scroll news or watch one episode of a series, but try to stop by 9. Then I do a quick tidy up around the house. What's your bedtime routine like?
Around 10, I brush my teeth, wash my face, and do some light stretching. I set my alarm and read a few pages until I'm sleepy. How about yours?
Pretty close. Teeth, face, and I meditate for 10 minutes to quiet my thoughts. Lights out by 10:30. Do you ever have trouble falling asleep?
Sometimes if I'm overthinking work. That's why I avoid screens late. A warm shower helps too. You?
Yeah, same issue occasionally. I started a no phone in bedroom rule. It's made a big difference. What's the best part of your evening for you?
The reading time feels like a reward after the day. Yours?
Cooking and eating. It's therapeutic. We should share recipes sometime.
Absolutely. That'd be fun. Let's swap next time we chat.
Deal. Anyway, how late do you stay up on weekends?
Maybe till midnight if I'm out or watching a movie, but weekdays, strict 10:30. You?
Weekends are flexible, 11 or later, but I pay for it Monday morning.
True. Balance is everything. The worst is when you binge watch and regret it.
Exactly. That's why I set episode limits now.
Smart move. I do the same with books. One chapter max.
Nice. Speaking of, got any book recommendations?
Sure, try Atomic Habits. Great for routines like this. You?
The Power of Habit is similar, really insightful.
I'll check it out. All right, I should start my evening soon. Good talk.
Yeah, me too. Have a relaxing night, Sarah.
You too, Allie. Sleep well.
Hey Sarah, we've talked about mornings and evenings. What about your bedtime routine? How do you prep for sleep?
Hey, Allie. Bedtime is sacred for me. I start around 9:30 by dimming the lights and putting away my phone. You?
Smart. I need to do that more. I begin at 10 with a warm shower to relax my muscles after the day. Do you shower at night?
Sometimes if it's been a hot day. Otherwise, I just wash my face, brush my teeth, and apply some moisturizer. Helps my skin recover. What next for you?
After the shower, I change into pajamas, then do a quick 5-minute meditation or deep breathing to clear my head. Do you meditate before bed?
Yeah, similar. I journal for 10 minutes about what went well that day. It's like a gratitude thing. Then I set my alarm and read a book until I feel sleepy. You?
Journaling sounds therapeutic. I read too, but nonfiction to wind down my brain. No screens after 10. Blue light messes with my sleep. Ever have insomnia issues?
Occasionally, if I'm stressed. That's why I avoid caffeine after 4 p.m. and keep the room cool. A fan helps with white noise. What about you?
Same, room temp around 20 degrees Celsius. I also stretch lightly on the bed to release tension. What's your ideal bedtime?
10:30 sharp on weekdays. I aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep. You?
Around 11, but if I read too long, it pushes to 11:30. Do you use any apps or trackers for sleep?
I have a sleep app that monitors cycles and wakes me up at the right time. It's game-changing. You should try one.
I've heard good things. Maybe I'll download it. What's the one thing that ruins your bedtime routine?
Scrolling social media late. Total time suck. I lock my phone in a drawer now. Yours?
Overthinking work. Journaling might help me too. We should share more tips.
For sure, like herbal tea before bed. Chamomile works wonders for me.
I'll add that. Peppermint for me sometimes. Anyway, how do you know when you're ready to sleep?
When my eyes get heavy from reading, then lights out and I focus on breathing.
Same here. Deep breaths and positive thoughts. Good stuff.
Totally. This chat's making me think about my routine more. Thanks.
Me too. Have a restful night whenever you head to bed, Sarah.
You too, Allie. Sweet dreams.